Bonjour, ginawa piraske kwe andaya oma. Welcome back to our second quarter at Pedote Learning Center. I hope you had a very nice fall break. And we're going to get started today by getting signed up on our Seesaw account for our classroom. You're going to get this in your home delivery for today if you haven't gotten it already. This is how you get signed in on our Seesaw account for school this quarter. So, step one, you are going to open up your iPad and you're going to go to the Seesaw icon and open up the app. Step two, when you're on the app, you're going to pick that you're a student. Click on the I'm a student because you're a student. Step three, you're going to enter in this code right here. It says RMJDHUFE. Type in this code to join our classroom. This code will bring you to our classroom on Seesaw. It's good to get signed up right away because this code does expire at the end of the week. Step four, you're going to need to sign in with your Google Classroom email. So with your Google account, the one that's your first name and then the @PedoteLearningCenter.org, and then whatever password you used for last quarter, it's the same thing. If you need a password reset, let me know and I can let our tech people know at school and we could get you online quickly. So if you have any questions, if you need help getting online, send me call me or send me a text message or even send me an email and I can help you get online with Seesaw and for Google Classroom. If you have any questions, call, email, or text. Miigwich Bizendawian. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope to see you on Google Classroom and on Seesaw.